Hello, boys and girls. Welcome back with the third Sudoku. It's a binary puzzle. Yes, binary puzzle. Quick puzzle to solve in this edition of today's newspaper on Friday, January the 29th, 2021. The third puzzle is a binary puzzle. Yes, alright. And this will be number 2244. 2244. Wow. 2244. Alright. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So it's an 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column, there are always 4 O's and 4 ones. Alright, so let's get started. Double O, here one, there one. We have now 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Double one, here no, there no. Between 2 O's comes in 1. 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Between 2 ones comes an O. Double one, here no, there no. We have now 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Double O, here one, there one. Between 2 ones comes an O. Between 2 ones comes an O. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Between 2 ones comes an O. 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Double one, here no, there no. 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Double O, here one, there one. We have now 4 ones, so the rest are O's. 4 O's in the first row, so the rest are ones. Between 2 ones comes an O. How about... Well. This is a 1, yes, okay. Do I need to compare? That's the question. Double O, do we have a double O here? No. Double one here. Yeah, double one. Alright. Double O, here one, there one. I've overlooked this double O. Between 2 ones comes an O. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Between 2 ones comes an O. 1, 2, 3, 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Yeah. Need to compare. Do we have a 101 here? Yes. No. Yes. This column and the second column. O, empty box. 1, 1. O, 1, 1. O, 1, 1. Empty box. So we need to switch these 2 digits. With a 1 here, this should be an O. With an O there, this should be a 1. Okay. 4 O's, so the rest are ones. 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Then need to compare again. Let me see 10. 10. Yes, this row and that row. 0011 empty box. 0011 0011 empty box. So we need to switch these 2 digits. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. We have an O there, this should be a 1. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. 1, 2, 3, 4 1s, so the rest are O's. Double O, here 1, there 1. Yes, completed in 5 minutes. All right. Great Sudoku with comparing. Yes, compare those 2 columns and compare those 2 rows. I like this one. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will continue in a minute with the last Sudoku, a tectonic with 4 stars. Prepare for the final Sudoku, a tectonic, aka Suguru. See you later. Bye bye for now.